Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write a letter to your friend inviting him to your brother's marriage. Let's get started. Examination Hall, City ABC, date. My dear Usman, it will be very happy news for you that my elder brother's marriage ceremony will be held on the 10th of this month. The Bharat will leave for Sahiwal at 9 a.m. We shall be back before sunset, inshallah. We wish you to join us at this occasion. I have also invited some of our common friends. We shall certainly have a good time. Please reach before the fixed time and ring me soon about your arrival. With best wishes, yours sincerely XYZ. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.